Hi guys, we have here the Smooth On Flex Foam it all. Portable flexible foam. Just want to give you guys a quick look at the product. This is what the box comes in. Let's go ahead and open this up. Give you guys a quick look at what's inside the box here. So as you can see here, comes with 3 of them. Comes with instructions as well on how to pour it. That one. That one. So it tells you the ratios you need to mix with and how to use it as the foam expands. So it's a great quality product, especially for those who are familiar with this product. So if you're looking to purchase this or any of the Smooth On products, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.